Oh no! Fucking petrol! There's knives in there, please don't cut yourself.
That's right, stab my hand, James.
Why are you going lengthways across that?
Fuck! The 90 degree.
His voice is a little deeper than most cars.
Don't pull that. It's holding the radiator and the crash bar on. Don't pull it. You need to like have a look what's underneath door number 4. Shit. Oh, it took skin. Be the first take it. Be the first take it.
Immediate improvement, extra horsepower.
Extra horsepower, shiny. Dude, satisfaction guaranteed.
I just love that.
What?
So I didn't quite line up, so they just slammed the bonnet shut.
Yeah, they were like, fuck it.
Hole's a little bit off. Done.
So you're telling me, because you know like the trade and stuff, somebody got angry here.
Yeah, this is a perfect example of bro could have just angled this by like 2 degrees this way, but nah, if we slam the bonnet, it self-clears.
Ready, boys? Ready?
Oh my god.
Oh!
Cheesy.
Oh!
Bro said he washed it in the sink. He was lying.
Bit of smeg on that.
Here comes the sun.
Are you gonna use this engine?
I said I was gonna.
Oh, the smeg is strong with this one.
I think so.
Oh, dude, this is so bad. No. What shall I do to like get the water out? Should we like stick a blowtorch down? Yeah.
Air gun.
Okay.
Blow all the shit back afterwards.
Fucking yeah, I'll do that. Yeah. Oh. Oh no. Eh. Eh. Oh.
Fucking hell.
Let's just pour that in.
Oh, extra speed and power. No! I'm never drinking that ever again. I am never drinking that.
That's what it does to your organs.
I'm never drinking that ever again. That is disgusting. You've got it in the sensor. Right, well, the alarm's on. That was anticlimactic. Right, I'm going to turn it over.
We didn't do the spanner test.
Stop recording me.
No.
Yeah, I do. Is I want to just try and blast this shit out of there. But we've got like oil pressure now. First time in fucking forever. I wash myself with a rag on a steam. New spark plugs are now in there. We're going to put these injectors into it from a Lotus Elise, and we're going to see if it starts up on nose candy. Then we have a solid engine to work on, so we know we don't have to pull the engine.
For the sake of the viewer, do you want to explain the pattern of the cable?
What? No. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you don't know off the top of your head, shouldn't be fucking doing this shit.
Oh.
Never mind. I stand corrected.
You were wrong.
Should we see what happens?
See what happens?
Keep it turning.
Oh, I was hoping it was in high enough frame rate.
But it wants to go anyway. What that test now basically means is we need a fuel tank into it. We got to run AN lines and AN fittings up to a fuel, run a return back to the fuel tank. Then, once it has a high pressure fuel line, it could be also because we don't have a sensor in as well. So we don't have an intake air temperature and absolute pressure sensor. So it could also be causing the reason why it's not going. But again, we've seen now that it'll splutter. So we got spark. And that means the VCU's talking to the engine. So that basically means now that we can proceed now from this step.